name is Lindsey Obenhaus. I'm a partner at Goranson, Bain, Ausley, and I'm board certified in family law. I'm going to talk about how adultery affects the divorce process. Adultery impacts the divorce process because it is one of the legally recognized fault grounds that a spouse can seek, saying someone caused the breakup of the relationship. This has the effect of allowing that spouse to seek a disproportionate share or more than 50% of the community estate. Adultery can also give rise to other financial claims like fraud or waste if the cheating spouse is proven to have spent large sums of money on their extramarital affair. Most importantly, though, adultery can affect the divorce process by making it very emotional. It deteriorates trust between spouses. It deteriorates trust between co-parents. That can often make any negotiation difficult and the path forward difficult when we're pursuing a divorce. If you suspect your spouse is cheating, I suggest you do 4 things. The first thing that I recommend that you do is seek legal counsel. There are important laws, both criminal and civil, governing things that may affect you in this situation. If you are considering monitoring your spouse, surveilling your spouse, checking their computers, their communications, their phones, anything like that to prove that they may be cheating, do not do this unless you first consult with an attorney. Like I said, there are laws in effect that could affect your actions in this situation. The second thing that I recommend that you do is if you already have proof or documentation, or you just believe it in your heart, go talk to a divorce attorney about how these claims can affect your specific situation. Understand what your rights may be or may not be in this situation. The third thing that I recommend that you do is to be strategic about your first initial steps. It's easy to be reactive and emotional, angry and hurt when you have these suspicions or concerns about your spouse. But don't make an emotional decision like confronting them or publicizing the affair that you may regret later when considering the big picture of your divorce or child custody case. Fourth and last, I recommend that you take care of yourself. Finding out or suspecting that your spouse may be cheating on you is an incredibly emotional realization. It can affect your self-esteem and it can affect your relationship and trust. Be sure that you're checking in with a mental health professional and taking good care of yourself so that you can stay vigilant to protect your financial and child custody case in the future. One thing I want everyone to think about if they either suspect or they've caught their spouse cheating on them is to think before you act. Keep in mind the big picture of your case and your circumstances. Understand that even small emotional reactions can set off a domino effect of legal consequences that you should think through carefully before acting or intervening in that situation.